Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your location on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta simply open WhatsApp application. If you're using Android, iOS, or even laptop, you can follow similar steps. So open WhatsApp application and simply open the chat who you wish to share your location with. And then you'll be able to see this plus icon here at the bottom left. So you're going to simply click on that plus icon and you'll be able to see all of these options. You're going to click on location and then you'll be able to see an interface that would say send location. You'll be able to see two options. One is share live location. So even if you're moving somewhere, the person who you have shared your location with will be able to see your location at that specific instant. If you click on send your current location, then only the location you are right now will be pinned to that person. So that's basically how you can share your location on WhatsApp. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.